Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you part 1 of a 2-part office renovation series. In this first video, I'll show you around my office, which is in the smaller of the 2 spare bedrooms in our home, give you an idea of what I plan to do, and then tackle the first project, which is turning the closet into a usable crafting area. My name is Gaby. I live with my husband and 2 dogs just outside of Austin, Texas, and last year we became first-time homeowners. Follow our journey as we turn our 109-year-old house into a home. Okay, so I'm really excited because I just figured out how I want the layout of this room to be, and I think it's going to work really awesome. It's going to solve a lot of the issues I've been facing in here. So here's kind of a general direction of what I want to do. So currently in this area right here, this is a big wall and we have a lot of craft supplies stored underneath the desk. There's a trash can under there as well. Got my pegboard, my cart in the corner with a printer, a Cricut, and a heat press. And I've got some fun things on the top, supplies and things that I just want to display. This desk, I'm going to refinish it as well as my desk chair, and I'm simply going to move it onto this wall right here. This wall is going to become a gallery wall, and I'm going to be able to display pictures, knickknacks, whatever I want on there. Hey buddy, you came to join me? He wants to know what I'm doing. Let's sit down. I know I'm standing on your seat. I'm sorry. You can sit right here. You can be in the picture too. So I've currently have a bunch of supplies, other things up here. I'll find another place for those to go. The pegboard, I'm going to move into the closet, which I'll show you in a little bit. Probably going to get rid of this table or find another place in our house to use it. And then of course, this is just a folding chair that I'm using as a temporary solution. As for my computer's gonna stay on that desk, move to this wall. So as you can see right here, this is just the door. It goes back into our kitchen. That's how you get into the office. I have this little nook. So to give you a better idea, the wall I was just talking about is right here. I have this little nook back here and it's really not being used correctly. So what I plan to do here is make some built-in shelves that span across that little nook and use the bottom area to kind of house all of my shipping boxes, shipping supplies, and then the upper area can just be for additional supply storage. You'll see that this is kind of a big closet area here. I currently have some vertical storage here as well as a window. If I look to my left, you'll see where my current desk is currently located. So right here in this closet, I would love to remove this closet shelf and bar. This is really not doing me any good having it there. I have an IKEA desktop in there right now that we cut down to be able to fit in that closet. So as you look into the closet right here, you'll see that it kind of tucks back behind this wall right here. I think it would be a great opportunity to add some shelves, kind of like if you were to vision where, think of where my hand is here and kind of have shelves like 1, 2, 3 right here. I don't know if you can quite see in here. I'm trying to kind of get my camera in, but you can see that there is an electrical panel right here, and this bar is kind of flush against that. So that was something that our inspector pointed out when we first bought this house, and he mentioned that this really shouldn't be there. So I'm going to try to take out this bar and this shelf, repurpose that elsewhere. And then the plan would be just to keep this desk here and then put the pegboards back behind the desk and then add a pendant light in the top that hangs down and provides light. What'd you think? As long as there's bed for you, I'll have to figure out a place to put dog beds too. We'll see.
8 divided by 5 is 13.6.
almost finished with the closet project. One last thing, obviously, as you can see, there's just a light bulb hanging right here. This little lamp thing is from IKEA, and then I just put an LED bulb that we had laying around. And I ended up finding this box, this Farg Stark, maybe is how you say it. And as you can see on the price here, it was only $5. And this actually includes the shade as well as a lamp base that you can wire into the ceiling. Now, since there's no wiring in this closet, and that's not something that I'm willing to do in this project today, maybe eventually when this closet, maybe when we do something else with the closet. For now, this hanging one that plugs in works just fine for me. Here is the actual lampshade, and this is, it's like a plastic. Cool, looks great. Here's the final closet project. Eventually, I'd like to maybe change the desktop a little bit and find a chair. I'd also like to add a door. But yeah, I'm pretty stoked on how this turned out here. We have all 3 of my sewing machines here. This pendant light here. My pegboard. Got some storage here for my art supplies, fun little things. I have a power strip here, and this is the plug light switch. Got some wrapping paper and fabric, as well as some awkward items there. Full access to our electrical panel. And of course, all of my craft supplies visibly stored up here. Bins with fabric down here, and all of my resin supplies up here. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video gave you inspiration to find a space in your home, like an underwhelming closet, and turn it into something you can actually use. Please consider subscribing to my channel and be sure to hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss part 2 of this office renovation. See you next time.